Hi, my name is Sean Rains, and I'm the Vice President of Marketing at DealerOn. I'd like to invite you to Digital Dealer 17 coming up at the Mirage in Las Vegas, Nevada, where I will be presenting Don't Think Different, Be Different, a branding lesson that's not 20 years old. You see, today in automotive retail, a lot of dealers still believe that being family owned and operated, or the low price leader, or having the best customer service is actually differentiation when it comes to their brand. But today it's more important than ever, not just to be different, but to be distinctive with your brand. And why is that? Today's modern consumer, and that's all of us, well, we don't trust traditional advertising. We don't believe in brands and companies anymore because of transparency. Well, I'm going to help you understand good and bad brand differentiation and distinctiveness, and give you some great tips to go right back to your dealership and implement them as soon as you get back from Digital Dealer 17. I hope to see you in Las Vegas soon.